How to use Tevau card properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. The Tevau card is a growing payment solution, but beginners often make mistakes that lead to missed rewards or extra fees. Here's my honest review and tips for using it properly. Most people get this wrong. They underestimate fees. The surprising truth is that certain transactions, like foreign payments or cash withdrawals, can trigger extra charges. Always check the fee schedule. Another mistake is ignoring rewards categories. Tevau offers cashback or crypto rewards on specific purchases. Not knowing these categories reduces potential benefits. Many users also fail to secure the card properly. Enabling two-factor authentication and monitoring transactions prevents fraud, which is especially important for digital-first cards. Finally, beginners often overlook balance management. Carrying a high balance can lead to interest charges, nullifying any rewards. Pay off the card on time to maximize value. In conclusion, using the Tevau card properly means understanding fees, maximizing rewards categories, securing the card and managing balances. Avoiding these mistakes ensures a safer, more rewarding experience.